This is the journal. So I will untie this one and give this one away. This one is, I put this in front, so it will make like a blink or a contrast to this album. So the color I choose is green color. I like it because it's fit with the brown color. And this one is like a sari fabric. It's very nice. And also this is the tag, is in front here. This one is an envelope, and I watched Luna. She really inspired me to create this album. And this is like an emboss, and I use a team hose to make it distress. And also an envelope. In here is like an ad. It's a raw, it's like a milk. This one is the receive, back and forth. So tuck it in here. And this one, I put this one like my little kit that I trained it to make it fit the size, and I sewing this one along here. So this is an envelope that comes in front of the journal. Okay, so this one I found like this is a house, and because it's like the baking time, so you will feel like, oh, this is a house, and then when you enter the house you can do all the baking and recipe. And this one is like a cupcake binding. There are a total of 8 signatures. The size of this paper are 8 and 5.5. And this is, I just do a collage. The front cover image, it came from a rustic garden kit. So I will turn it. I print this out, as you know, I print this out on a laser jet. This is the cherry. You can cut this one down. All the paper are coffee dye with distress ink also. And this one is just only a clip that I put it in here, but I don't want to take it out because I want to go so fast. I don't want to bore you guys. And this is the fabric that I sewing here. This is the little note with the recipe card. And this is also top spot that I put like some tag in here. You can put the recipe. There are lots of room for recipe. And this is some bling and a key charm here with the tag. And just sewing is going on. This is the recipe, the cake recipe. It's like all advertisement, and this is the tag again. This is the ticket, and also recipe card with a tag. And this one is a tag again. This one I sew like the ticket. This one is like an envelope that I form this one as envelope, so you can do anything underneath here. Okay, let me clip it. There are 8 signatures, and each signature are total of 3 pages, so I think it's about 100 in total. This is a ticket for 1 pipe meal, so you can use this one. I print some of them out on the freebie on the website of Old Design Shop, and I really love it so much. This is the tag and the tag spot, and there are lots of room to do journal. This is the library card. This is the receipt, a live page. This is my kit. And this is also with the trunk. I put some fabric here because it's contrast with the green color. I like it. And also with the bling on here underneath. This is the package of sugar, and package of sugar, like some rating if you like it. And this is a washi tape. This is the pink slip. And also I just the tuck spot and washi tape, just add some fabric so you can touch and feel it. And this is all that. And this one I create a little pocket of a note. You can use it here to do anything like for invoice or anything that you bought, or the grocery, let's say. Okay, this is the crown. I'm not sure if you see the crown and the bell. So I added because I love the sound, and on the sides you will see it's look nice. This is a coupon book. It's like fib, so I just sewing on it. And this is the ad is like about the carnival. It's like a cake. This is I emboss with the flower, a yacht club, and also the receipt here. And also this is the receipt back and forth. Okay, this is also the bell clip with the tag, with the coupon. Hold on. With the tag, with the coupon, I just taped this one double size so you can use it. And also this one, I love it so much because it's a postcard. So I emboss this one and put some less on it. And at the back you will see it's like an emboss thing going on here. So I put it right back here. And clip it. So I like the clip will show on the sides. This is the stamp that I stamp. It's like butterfly. And this is the braid ads right here. We almost there. Bear with me. And also this is another tuck spot, but I leave it blank. This one is also a coupon and also some fabric in blue turquoise color. I love that. And also a flap that you can put any recipe card on here. This is the tuck spot, small cake and cookie, butter cake. Okay. And flip it back. Another nice grungy from my kit. This one is like heavy cream, and also the receipt that I etched this one to make it look like it's very old. Love it so much. Okay, this is almost done, and this is the tuck spot with also my little tiny paper from the kit. Okay, and yep, and that's it. Oh, something leave it up. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, and you will see this is like dangling thing that I like it. So I will put this one, all three of them, in special price for you guys in my shop. So check it out. After I post this video, you can click on it. So hope you like it and click subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.